Hi guys, this is Hari. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Boxidise. Thank you for supporting me to my previous videos and keep supporting me to deliver the best content for you. Hope you will find this video helpful and enjoy. So without delay, let's get started. Today we are going to connect both WATCHSTROME smartwatch to the phone. Let's see how to connect.
First, we need to download both Provier app.
Here it is. It shows some instruction. First, to turn the Bluetooth on. Next, to keep the watch within 10 meters. These are the different key features of the watch. Let's start. We need to give some permissions. Then we see this. Then we need to select that option. It will detect the watch automatically. We get the option to confirm the bind. Then it should confirm. Then the watch vibrate. Then we select our preferences. Male, date of birth. Then height, and then weight, and then daily activity goal, number of steps, and sleep goal. Okay, confirm. Then we need to give some permissions. That's it, the watch connected. Here in device you can customize the call alert, sedentary alert, alarm alerts, and notifications to apps, dial settings. You can change the face of the watch in the app, and wake gestures, heart rate detection, continuous heart rate detection. Here we can set the call alert. Then we can set in how many seconds the watch will vibrate. That's call alert. Next, sedentary alert. Let's set it for 90 minutes. Here we can change the start and end time. And it will sync. The alarm alert here. And SMS alert to get the notifications from WhatsApp in different apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and other apps. We can control the music from the watch. And heart rate detection, we can set it automatically or manually. Healthcare, here you can set the find my phone option also. With the watch you can find the phone. Let's see how. Here it is. It will find the phone. The sound will off by pressing the volume button. And different options here. That's it for the video. Thank you.